Look at SharperTrades. So the S&P 500 holds the support. We got a reversal today. The resistance is the same, 610. Targets 612 and 620. Support 600, 595, and the 50 SMA. GME reported earnings yesterday. Technicals are bullish. Big volume a few days ago. Steady green volume today. Let's see if it takes out this descending trend line, in which case has a potential to make a channel, a run to the channel top. It has a 34, 37, possibly 40. Support is today low, yesterday low. LSCC, watch this one, intriguing, is in the semiconductor, something that has been trailing behind. Apparently, based on fundamental analysis, is undervalued. So potential to recover some of the lost ground, some of the lost market shares. Today popped the 20 simple the moving average. I think has a potential to go higher, 66, 69, 74, and 78. Support is the 80 MA and 58. That's Roblox on the move, bullish kicker with volume. Stall is 60, 61 for one reason, which is this. If we step back, the IPO lows, post-IPO lows are 60, 50. So that's a big resistance, expected to be there for a bit. But eventually, if it breaks through and holds, this one has a potential to extend. That's why I added to the swing idea. 63, 65, 68, possibly 71. And it's an investment, by the way. Today low and 55 are the support. SFIX, bullish move following earnings. Support here is 610 and today low. Targets are 770, 870, and 10. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.